Somebody has the hiccups this morning. Oh, you get little elephants on your outfit. What are you looking at? Hiccups. This is day 7 of your life.
He's a week old. A week and an hour and a half.
Say bye. Hip up.